How's everyone doing? Welcome back to another 3K to 25K account challenge. Today was really good for the market. Slow for me. We're positive. We made above about $250 today, but like I said, I've been taking it extremely slow. I don't like a political market. It's just not something I like. I'm a price action warrior. So if I can't profit, if I can't set my plays up based upon price action, and I have to constantly worry about news this and economy that and political that and trade war this, I'm not really comfortable. It doesn't fit my style of playing. So we took two trades today. We took one trade in Amazon, another trade in AMD. Kept my trades very short, especially being that I just wanted to make that $200 profit target a day on this account. So starting off with our Amazon play, price action, like I said. So this morning we had great news. Basically, some of the tariffs was pulled off certain items, a lot of them being tech items such as phones, laptops, and such. We also had a tariff delay until December. So Chinese stocks went crazy, basically went up really good, and all of our tech leaders, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, those kind of stocks also went up as well. AMD skyrocketed as well. So in the morning, we had this big push up of the market as well on the SPY. As you can see, we had a pretty green watch list here, apart from a few. AMD was already reversing. The confirmation for reversal was there from yesterday. I actually explained that in the previous video for those who didn't see. So despite the push up, the reversal is the reversal. It's time for AMD to pull back. So this is also pulling back here. But other than that, everything else had a pretty good run. So with Amazon, I waited. I didn't get in on this. Like I said, small account. I can't afford to really chase or try to scalp these kind of plays, because you don't know where it's gonna stop. You know what I mean? Great volume here. Whole market was going up, but I played it patient. I sat it out. It consolidated, waited for the consolidation. Boom. Then I caught a little bit of range, so I realized that it didn't break below the VWAP. So in my head, I'm thinking, maybe Amazon is gonna stay above the VWAP, stay above this 1819 level, and that's exactly what it did. So once I seen this and the rally above the VWAP, above this 1819 level, I basically drew my top trend line right here for the breakout, and then I got a breakout here, got in on this small little pullback here. One call, like I said, one option contract. I'm playing, my position size is really small, playing it safe, and then I basically rode it for one candle and a piece, and I took profit here. So this was a very short, no longer than 5 minute. Practically profited off this 5 minute candle here and called it a day. On Amazon, pulling in $195. Then now we are on AMD. Let's see what happened on AMD here. So on AMD, so what we saw was in the morning it basically flushed. So we already anticipated the reversal. As soon as AMD basically dropped below the close of the previous day, we already knew, oh wow, it's coming back down. So we were ready for that. Then the news broke out. So we basically seen AMD recover and then hit a little stop here. You've seen weakness in sellers, and then you've seen the power play back above the middle VWAP by the buyers. And basically that tariff news basically brought AMD all the way back up to $33. But as you can see, it struggled with 33 multiple times. One touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, before it started going back down. So what I saw, same concept here. As soon as I saw it going back down, I got in like two contracts. I should have got in more contracts. That was actually a ridiculous play on my behalf. But I got in two put contracts here, and I basically rode this back down. I seen it basically struggling with the middle VWAP. I gave it 5 minutes, other 5-minute candle. Once I seen this bullish pin showing lots of weakness with the sellers, I took profit. Started taking profit at this level. But guess what? In the next 5 minutes, it actually broke below the Vwap and then broke a little lower. So it's all right. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at the play. Like I said, I could never be mad at taking profit. But I should have definitely went a little bit larger on this play. Two contracts was a little silly when this was beautiful price action. This was a high probability play. It was no reason for me to, not be confident and take a decent sized position on this play. But won't be mad about it. Profit is profit. And that is basically it for today. Basically scraping up about $255 there. And let's see what happens tomorrow. We'll play it safe. Tomorrow we have Roku on our list. So between Roku and AMD, I feel like these two stocks are finally coming down, right? Let's look at Roku on the day chart real quickly. We basically have that inverse hammer play here, right? So, well, not really an inverse hammer because it has a little peak here, but you basically could tell that the sellers are here. Buyers could not hold this 142 level. Sellers brought it all the way back down, excuse me. And I'm assuming that this is where this bullish run may end. We may actually see a reversal back down to the downside starting hopefully tomorrow. I'll probably take puts on that and also AMD as well. As you can see, despite the good news, so our buyers couldn't hold, right? Lost out on the 33 level, got pushed all the way back below previous close, and then closed here with a lower low. So I'm also thinking of getting into AMD for a swing. So AMD and Roku is on my list for tomorrow. Thanks as usual for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, contact me on social media or comment down below. I thank you guys for all the support and watching these videos. I really hope they help.